In this video, we will show you how to multiply 2-digit or 3-digit numbers by one another. This method is called the area model because it resembles the relationship between the sides and the area of a rectangle. Let's take a closer look. Martin's football pitch is 23 metres wide and 44 metres long. What is its area? To calculate the area of a rectangle, we multiply length times width. In this case, the length is 44 metres and the width is 23 metres. So we just need to multiply 44 by 23 to get the area of our football pitch. To do this, we will use the area method. We can represent 44 with base 10 blocks using 4 10s and 4 1s. We can then represent 23 with 2 10s and 3 1s. Next, we will build a table to keep track of the products of each calculation, and then we will add everything together. Starting with the 10s, 40 times 20 is 800. Then we move on to multiplying the 10s by the 1s. 4 times 20 is 80, and 40 times 3 is 120. We record these in our table. Finally, we multiply the 1s by the 1s. 4 times 3 is 12. 800 plus 80 plus 120 plus 12 equals 1012. So the area of the football pitch is 1012 metres squared. Coincidentally, here we have used an area method to work out the actual area of a surface. But this isn't always the case. The area method will work to multiply any 2 or 3-digit numbers together, no matter the question. Now it's your turn to practice this at home. Align the numbers on a table and work methodically so that all parts of the table are filled in.